Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Guy Garage. If you're new here, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. If you're returning to watch videos, please hit that share button. We really need your support, but this is what we do here. Classics, rat rods, hot rods, resto mods. And also you can jump onto the shop and pick up the clothes, the shirts that help support the channel. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's your video. What I'm working on now is I am starting to jig up, or starting to build the jig to hold the control arms. So for my lower, I've chosen a piece of, I believe this is 2x3 1/4 inch thick square, it's rectangular tubing to hold my mount to. I'm going to build the mounts and everything. And this is a piece of, I think it's 3/8 for my top mount. You know, this is just some extra stuff I had laying around, so I'm going to use that. Now, a lot of the specs you need to find are online. But one thing you should notice if you're doing a 91 through 93 Caprice is there is no mounting holes for your sway bar if you're going sway bar upgrade. Now I do have the sway bar that came on the, I don't know where it's at right now, but it came off of the 95 9C1, which is what rear end's going in the car. But these are what we have to know right here. These are, well, they're basically rod ends or poly hind joints. They're not really hind joints, but you look up hind joints and those come up too. I just call them end links, end joints, whatever. So I know the lower one actually has to be between 5/8 and 3/4 of an inch longer to push the back tire further back this way toward the rear end of the car. But since they're going to be adjustable, I'm going to put them somewhere in between that and then make sure it's in the middle of the adjustability on the joint. That'll come when we get them. I still have to order everything I need. As far as this one goes, this one's a lot easier. The actual joints are still on the rear end out there, which I'm probably going to either knock one out or cut one off, because that rear end's garbage, in my opinion, unless somebody needs it. But I don't need it. So pull one of them out or order the new ones and use. And then you use this measurement and whatever the measurement of them are. So that's how we're going to do it, which is probably the same as this one. So I mean, you could literally mount this one and then make the same tabs back here and mount it at whatever spacing you want. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some 1/4 inch, this might be, or not 1/4 inch, I mean 1/8 inch. This might be a little bit smaller than 1/8. Nah, it's 1/8. Yeah, some 1/8 inch to make the mounting tabs, and I'm also going to get them up higher so that way I don't have to, you know, worry about bumping into anything or possibility of the joints being wider and then hitting the bottom. So I'm going to make all of them real quick to get it up off of the ground or off of the plate. These are actually going to be a U piece of probably 1/4. I'll either have to bend or bend it special, show, you know, how it bends up for this end on the new one. Again, jumping the gun, but yeah. Let me get this one made and this one started, and I'll show you.
I love dubstep!
out a mistake I was getting ready to make. I need 4 tabs, and what that is that's 2 for the long and 2 for the short one. But the other side of the long one, I need some extended width tabs. And the reason that is because, again, I have to extend that one. So if I would have made regular size tabs, it wouldn't have worked. And I had just caught that before I was getting ready to cut it. Because, you know, I keep going over things over and over and over again. So what I'm going to do is this last one, I'm not going to cut out that other one. This one I'm just going to cut to the height I need. And I'm going to cut it in half. And you see, that's not going to work either. Because I need to move it 3/4 of an inch. So if I make it here, yeah, that'll work. You see now? I got it. Alright, so this is going to get cut wide.